I'm CleanKIXT Evan.
I'm CleanKIXT.
Today we're doing gas or pass. Gas is a good shoe, pass is a bad shoe.
Yeah, so our editor, he's gonna put a little gas thing here, a little gas tank here,
And he'll pass.
a little pass sign here.
Yikes. All right, so should we get started?
Let's get to it.
All right, the Yeezy Slides that just came out, right? They came out today.
Today.
We got
an L on all 3 pairs.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I feel like I was gonna get one today.
I thought so too.
Whatever. We got the Ochre, Pure, and Onyx.
Mm-hmm.
My personal favorite is the Pure, but you know.
Pures are nice. I have a pair.
I like the lighter color.
Mm-hmm. The Onyx are nice too. The all black.
Yeah.
I know how you feel about all black shoes, but
It's just like, if I were wearing white socks, it wouldn't be so bad.
okay, that's fine. Gas or pass?
Gas.
All 3?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass on the Ochres.
Really?
Yeah.
Why's that?
Well, it depends. I think it's like the restock pairs, and those ones are like kind of textured. Not my favorite thing. I just like them like nice and smooth.
Like them smooth.
I don't know why that's so funny.
March 10th,
Yes.
we got the Sakai Vapor Waffles in the black gum and white gum colorways.
We do.
Do you like those?
I don't know.
I don't.
I don't know, honestly. Like, I've looked at the shoe a lot. Like, I feel like the heel tab is like a little
Like how
much.
it bends up?
Yeah.
I don't like
It's
that.
like a little much, right?
Yeah.
But
Some people could definitely rock them. Like,
yeah,
they look good on some people, but for me,
it's a pass. Both pairs?
yeah.
I think I'm going gas. Gas on both pairs, yeah. I think black and gum is like a really good combination of colors. I think that looks good. And then the white ones are just clean. Like
If I had to take one, I would take the white ones for sure.
well,
Like,
yeah, again, we know how you feel about all black shoes, so like that's not a surprise.
I have black on my shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways. March 11th, Jordan 12 playoff.
It's like some reverse taxis almost.
I don't know how I feel about them. They're all right. Like, they good? Like, kind of a,
You're not a big 12 guy though.
from like 10 past 10,
Yeah.
it's just okay. Except for 11s.
Okay,
11s
I was
are
gonna
alright.
say.
Yeah. Yeah. So past 11s. 10s are kind of a hit or miss though. And 9s
Yeah.
are kind of trash. And 8s are trash. 8s sometimes are trash. 9s are trash. Anyways.
So gas or pass?
I'd say gas, but I wouldn't wear them, so pass.
Okay. So pass.
Yeah.
Personally, I don't know. I think the colorway is good. Like, I think the color blocking is nice. I really don't have any complaints. I'd say gas. Gas. And I always respect people who can pull off 12s. I don't feel like I can.
They're too chunky.
Yeah. But if you see someone rocking a pair of 12s and it like looks good, I'm like,
Good for you. Whoa.
That's crazy.
All right. Anyways, March 12th, Yeezy 350 Oreo.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Restock.
like these. I like these.
Okay. Hold on. So now I got to come at you.
What?
You were beefing with the Dazzling Blues
Yeah.
that are the same shoe,
But they're blue.
but it's a blue
yeah,
stripe.
nah, they're not as good.
And
the
now
blue
you're
is
saying-
weird.
now
The blue's
you're-
weird on it.
No, it's not.
It doesn't look as good.
I think it looks
The
just
black
fine.
and white is simple.
Did you like the Marina Jordan 1s?
Kinda.
Dark Marina Blue?
They're okay.
I think you have a problem with blue too.
I do have a problem with blue. I like blue, not dark blue.
What?
Pass like that blue? Nah.
You don't like royal blue?
Royal blue is, if it has white next to it, then yeah. Like those threes, they're great. They're fine. But with the black, I don't know.
Okay.
There's
All
just
right.
something there.
Okay, whatever. I don't know. All right, back to the Oreos.
Confusing my brain.
Back to the Oreos. So gas?
Gas.
Gas. Yeah, gas. Definitely gas.
Another one on March 12th. Dunk High Court Purples. This is a women's
It is a woman's.
Asia exclusive.
It is not releasing in the States yet. Doesn't have a release date here, but I'm
Actually-
guessing we'll get one soon.
I don't wear much purple, but
I don't have any purple, I don't think. But these are nice.
yeah.
These are nice. It's interesting that they have like those core purple lows that dropped last
I
week on
really like
sneakers
those.
that are men's, but the highs are just women's.
I didn't actually notice
Yeah,
that.
I just think that was interesting. I don't know why they did that,
was
but
weird.
definitely gas.
Gas.
Definitely gas.
Mm-hmm.
There's something about like just dunks with like the white base with like a nice color that like pops. That's like different.
But it's simple, but it's like, ooh, you know?
Yeah, like like the Syracuse dunks. For some reason, man, every time I see this, I'm like, man, I gotta have like 6 pairs of those.
Except for the goldenrod dunks. I'm not really sure about those.
Well, that's because they have a black base. And you know
You're
how
right.
you feel about
That's
black
what it
shoes.
is.
Yeah. So
Next up, we got The Sakai SB Dunk Great White Shark. Oh!
Hey, I'm gonna need that gas button right here.
Yikes. Okay, but
Fire.
these are definitely making my top shoes of 2022.
These are shoes that I would pay $7 a gallon for.
I pay $9 a gallon for these.
Wow. These are super gas.
California price gas?
California price gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd pay California prices for gas for these.
Yikes, okay. But yeah, these are the black ones that came out, what was that, 2 years ago?
I think something like that.
Those ones are nice too.
Yeah.
I
like
black shoe.
this little the red line that they have on the on the
Yes.
midsole.
Yes.
Yeah,
it, like,
and
ties
the
it all
shark with
together.
the shark's teeth too that are like red in that line. Yeah.
I don't know, it's so clean. And the shark's kind of like a grayish too.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So really good details on the shoe.
Easy to wear.
Easy, super easy to wear.
It's all white.
I feel like there'll be solid materials because it's a collaboration.
They look solid. Just
they
did the
do.
pictures.
They do.
That tumbled leather.
Oh.
Oh yeah. That's where it's at. It's out. Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out. Cut that out.
Oh, oh, yikes.
Okay. Jordan 1 High Rebel in Air. Rebel in Air.
Sound it out.
Rebel in Air. Lebanon. Rebel in Air. Rebellion. I'm dyslexic. Shut up.
Do you know how millionaire is spelled?
Yeah.
Okay,
Rebel
so just
in Air.
replace just replace rebel with Millie.
Rebel Air. Rebel in Air.
No.
Rebel in Air. What? Say it. Say it. Rebel in Air. That's how you say
You're
it.
saying rebel in air.
Rebel in Air.
Okay.
Rebel on Air.
All right, we get the picture. We
What is
understand.
How do you say it?
Oh, jeez.
How do you say
No,
it?
I think they got it. Yeah,
do
rebel
you-
in air. Rebel in air.
How do you say it?
Yeah, you said it right.
How do you say it?
You said it right. Rebel in air. Gas or pass?
Rebel in Air. These are just weird. I don't know if I like them that much. It's like Rebel Lion Air. Rebel Lion Air? Yeah, all right. I think these are a pass for me. I don't really like them that much.
Pass.
Because I don't really know what's going on. There's a lot happening.
I'm gonna go gas for now. It could be a pass. I just feel like I want to see them in person.
Either way, if they're in person or not, I'm not too big. It's
a pass?
Fan. Yeah, pass.
That's fair. Yeah, that's fair.
All right, March 19th, Jordan 4 Zen Master.
It's hard to like a shoe you can't pronounce. Zen Master.
Yikes. Okay. These ones are tough.
These are nice. These
They,
are nice.
I don't know. They're cool, but they're giving me like galaxy print legging vibes. You know what I'm saying?
You have like 6 pairs of those.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, with unicorns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't see the problem.
Put them on me.
All right. So what are we feeling on these? Good original design.
I like them.
This is definitely something different.
I feel like they
they've done.
look like a kid's pair, like though, like a grade school exclusive.
I do feel like they could be. I feel like they'll release in men's sizes. I feel like they might be like a little weird on foot. Like I think it's a shoe that's like better to look at than it is to like wear.
Like the patent breads.
Yes. Yes, I feel the same way about those.
Yeah,
So-
they're all right.
Gas, they're gas. I wouldn't wear them, I don't think, but they're gas.
Yeah.
Like
Are they? They're men's, right?
yeah, I think it's like full family sizing if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong.
That'd be
Don't quote me
pretty
on
cool
that.
though.
Yeah. So like I feel like it's a pair I could buy and like just have like in a display box, but I don't know if I'd ever wear them.
The materials look wacky too.
Yeah.
So
So
to see what those are.
a lot
They almost
going
look
on.
like nylon-ish.
yeah,
I don't know.
good story behind them, how they're inspired. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Jordan 5, March 25th. Jordan 5, Jade Horizon. I like
Yes.
these.
These are gas.
I really like these. Jordan 5s, I really want to be able to wear Jordan 5s, like rock them,
Yeah.
but it's almost getting too puffy, you know,
I mean,
for Jordan 5s, you know? For me, at least.
they're the same as every other Jordan 5.
Oh,
These
yeah,
ones.
no.
So, like I don't
Yeah.
know.
I just have a problem with Jordan 5s.
Yeah.
I love them. They're really cool, but I can't.
You can't do them, even though you
They got
hoop
hot.
even though you hoop in Jordan 5s.
Yeah. I hooped one time. One time.
You said you hooped in them, not me.
Actually, a couple times. But they're all right.
I'm a fan of these.
The
Like-
colorway is so clean.
I was gonna say, I think this is a really good like twist on like Jordan 5s because I feel like most of the really good colors of Jordan 5s are all retro colorways, but this is like something new that will be, you know, everybody can get for like a reasonable price. I think they did a really good job with
Because
these.
they're releasing a lot, aren't they?
A lot of pairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm guessing it'll probably be similar to like the Shattered Backboard 5s or the Moonlight, the Oreo 5s
I like that.
last
I like
year.
that, yeah.
So, yeah, I'm definitely a fan. These are gas for sure.
Gas.
Gas.
March 26th, Jordan 3 Muslin. Muslin? Yeah. I like these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are nice.
They're clean.
This is another, I think, good twist to like Jordan 3s.
Yeah.
Because I feel like we've been getting a lot of like OG colorways or colorways that are very similar to OG colorways. The Pine Greens were obviously different.
Yeah, but like it was still like, it still had the same color blocking.
Yes. So like Racer Blues, but like feel like almost like True Blue 3s. Cardinals are like Fire Reds, except it's just a different shade of red pretty much.
And a little bit of yellow, but.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like these, fresh take, kind of like International Flights.
Yeah.
A little
like
bit.
those a lot.
Yeah, it's like almost like an alternate sample of an international flight
Yeah.
with like,
They're also giving me a little bit of like alma maniere vibes.
yeah, no,
Because they're
definitely.
neutral colors.
Yeah,
They're clean.
I mean, that's
Definite gas.
maybe that's what they're going for is like they're capitalizing on the popularity of that shoe.
Like the Broke Man stuff they do.
Yeah, exactly.
Broke Man.
Yeah, like the electric orange Jordan ones are to like Shattered Backboard ones.
Yeah.
But I feel like that is like way different, but this is like a lot closer.
Yeah.
These are definitely gas.
I like these a lot.
I definitely
Yeah.
will need a pair of these for myself.
Gas for sure.
Yeah.
Another one on March 26th. Nike Air Max 1 Wabi Sabi.
That's the name for me.
Who came up with that?
I don't know. Give them a raise though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All-
10 out of 10.
I don't wear too many Air Max 1s.
I don't have a pair. This might be.
I don't either.
Yeah, but Air Max Day is coming up this month, so I feel like I'm gonna have to
Oh, you're right.
splurge a little bit.
I might.
So
We'll have to see. They're,
I feel like this is a good like fall colorway. You know?
yeah. But also, I don't wear Air Maxes like with jeans.
Yeah.
Like, but with
You can wear them with
sweatpants,
like joggers, or sweats.
Yeah,
But like
They're
green
solid.
and brown and tan, that doesn't really scream summer.
you're right.
I feel like personally.
It's almost even like just a fall shoe.
Yeah. But I mean, I think they're gas. They're gas. The colorway blocking is nice. Shoes are nice.
I'm gonna have to pass.
He's gonna pass.
I'm gonna pass. I don't know what it is actually. Maybe it's the green on the heel. Or no, whoa, wait, whoa! I didn't realize this till just now. Breaking news.
Hold on.
One shoe's brown, one shoe's green.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. Okay, that's weird. I don't like it.
Okay. So pass?
Yeah, pass.
All right, pass. I think they're gas.
That's everything for March. Tune in for April when we do this again.
More drops in March, obviously.
Yeah,
Didn't cover everything. I'm sure the things are going to get pushed back, like the blank canvas Jordan 4s that we
they're
talked
going
about.
to.
Please get a release date on those, please.
I want those.
But that's everything.
Yeah, that's it.
Follow
Thanks.
us on social media, at CleanKIXT Lab, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.
Did you say TikTok, Instagram, YouTube? Okay.
Well, I mean, they're watching the YouTube.
Subscribe. It's gonna be right here.
If you're not subscribed, you
Like.
better subscribe. Till next time.
All right. Thanks for watching.